Meaning of garbage.
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 Garbage. Garbage refers to anything that is considered waste or unwanted material, including food scraps, paper products, plastics, and other household or industrial debris. It can also refer to the act of disposing of such materials. Garbage often ends up in landfills, incinerators, or is recycled for new use. Improper disposal of garbage can lead to health hazards, environmental degradation, and pollution. Proper management of garbage involves reducing waste, reusing and recycling materials, and disposing of it in an environmentally responsible manner to reduce its negative impact on the planet.